Aren't these two of the most precious girls you've ever seen? Look at them cuddling and sleeping together. Oh, they're so cute, so precious. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is precious. And this is precious. Oh, my sweetheart. So as you can see, we've done our couch differently, which I'm really happy about because I was getting a little sick of that piece in the middle. So we changed it up a little bit and I'm loving it like this. We have my grandpa's table over here in the corner with our same pictures on it and a wax warmer. We like to keep the windows open and the door because there's so much gorgeous natural lighting all day, so we love that. Over here we have the TV table and the TV, and we're sticking with all of our same decor as of right now, but we do have plans on changing some things up in the future. But we have this over here against this wall, flowers in the corner, and I know that it seems like the TV is really far away from the couch. But honestly, we don't watch TV that often. So, I mean, it's good to just have a TV. So we have a TV. We just don't use it that much. I'm sitting on the couch right now and it's not that bad. I would probably have to wear my glasses to see it a little better. So I've got my two little blue rugs that I had in my other apartment in here. I actually had my pink fuzzy one over here too, but I moved it because I was vacuuming and mopping and I didn't put it back. Over here I've got my blue and white and pink set. My stove, I have my Trust in the Lord little thingies here. Pink mason jar spoon rest and my little scripture block above my stove. And my butter dish and my usuals. On top of my ice box, I have my little camper, my mason jar, cookie jar. On here, I have my scripture magnet and a note from one of my nieces, Gracelyn. Over here is where I have my coffee, my sugar container, my little Eiffel Tower. It's actually salt and pepper shaker, but I don't use it for that. I just keep it out as decor because it matches and it's cute. My mom got me that. Our smile sign, wax warmer, and the coffee pot. So yeah, that's what my kitchen is looking like as of right now. I also have my blue lavender candle up here and my salt and pepper shakers. We also have lights under the cabinet here like we did in our other place. And as much as I love my kitchen, I miss my blue backsplash. Oh, I miss it so much. This is like gray, but I really do miss my blue. It was my favorite. My pantry is extremely messy right now because I'm so torn on what I want to do with my cleaning products and different things like that. I haven't bought a lot of food yet since we moved in here. So that's why this looks dead and empty. Okay, but this is all a work in progress, so stop judging. Empty ice box as well. If you came over here hungry, I could offer you a string cheese, an egg, or some frozen fruit. Or some teamy tea, girl. Fanta, Coke, a cookie. So yeah, this is my living room. I love the gray walls. All the other walls are white, but they have these I forget what they're even called, but you guys know what I'm talking about. An accent wall. There's gray there, and then gray here as well. If anybody's wondering, the floors are still driving me crazy, but it's something I'm gonna have to deal with, and that's totally okay. But yeah, so this is my apartment. Well, this is just the living room and the kitchen. And then I need to show you guys the rest. I just made myself a cup of coffee because we're gonna be going live in a little bit and I'm feeling really tired for some reason. So yeah. I need to learn how to put our shoes away because this just sits right there at the front door. We hung our little key holder up here, which I love. It's so nice because if you don't have a place to put your keys when you first walk in the door, they end up right here, and that works my nerves. So yeah, I like having a key holder up so I can put the keys there as soon as we come in, and then you don't have to have things laying around. For everyone wondering about these little girls right here, they love this apartment. They are crazy about it. So this is the girls' bathroom, and I have my scripture plaque up on the wall. Up here I keep my hair tools and some of my hair items because I do like to do my hair in this bathroom. I don't know why, but I do, but I love that little cabinet above the toilet. I've got so much cabinet space and drawers. I love it. I love having space for stuff. It's awesome. So I've got my scale in here, the girls' food. I haven't decorated or put anything in here because it's just not happening right now. So yeah. I've got a Mrs. Meyer's lilac hand soap in here, lavender vanilla candle, lavender spray, a cute little bear, and a little lilac hand soap, a mirror. I just put this shower curtain up yesterday. It's just a plain frosty shower curtain. It's like a few bucks, and then these little black rings, I think they were maybe $1. I just put that in here just to have something in here. I love these showers. I love the marble look. It's gorgeous, and the shower and the tubs are so big in this apartment. And yeah, so their food is on the floor, and I need to get some rugs and stuff in here. I just haven't had a chance, so it hasn't happened, y'all. So this is where my pink rug is because I moved it over here so I could clean. I need to put that back in my kitchen. Kiki, what are you doing? This is not your floaty, this is mine, okay? So this room is a mess right now, but I'm gonna give you just a quick look. It's really bad. I haven't done anything with it, and yeah. So, got the birds over here. There's my ring light. I've got my makeup and stuff in front of the window because I love natural lighting. I've got all kinds of paparazzi stuff over here. I've moved a lot of my paparazzi stuff into these drawers so it's easier to organize and go through when pieces are being requested. I have more paparazzi here. We have Alan's desk in here as well, and my other desk with my laptop, my printer, and all that stuff that I use for my paparazzi stuff. It's funny because you think that I would have cleaned this room before I did a tour, but to be honest, this room is helpless right now. If you guys remember in my last apartment, this room was helpless too until I started decorating, then it got super cute. But yeah, I do have plans on fixing it up. It's a very nice size room. I love it, but it just needs some help and prayer. So pray for this room. Yes, look at this. I have my mirror sitting up on the bird food. Y'all, I need help, I'm telling you. But yeah. Shouldn't even be including this in the tour, but it is what it is, and I'm real with y'all, so whatever. Bye, Kiki. I'm shutting you in. So this is what our bedroom's looking like as of right now. We got rid of our bed frame in Virginia, so we don't have a bed frame as of now. We just have the mattress and the box spring sitting on the floor. But we have plans on getting a bed frame soon, but this is what it's like for now. And this is one of the reasons why I was putting off this apartment tour video, is because I wanted to get a bed frame first, but I'll just add that in later. I haven't been able to wash my comforter set just yet, so I'm just using this white blanket that used to sit at the end of my bed, and yeah, so everything kind of looks the same, you know? Except this room is bigger, different flooring, gray wall, or gray accent wall, but yeah. So this is my bedroom. this is how it's looking. That's a little stepping stool my mom gave me because I'm too short to reach things in here. We have this blanket behind the mirror because we didn't want to scuff up the wall. So we've got it just sitting like that for now, but that is gonna be moved. And yeah, this is my bedroom. So this is what my bathroom's looking like. I just finished cleaning, so the countertops may look a little wet. That doesn't mean it's dirty. That means I just cleaned it. But anyway, so pretty much got the same stuff out as I did in my other bathroom. Same rugs and stuff, but this bathroom is so big compared to our other one, and I love this backsplash. It's pretty neat. And I like that it's wipeable so I can clean it because it's like this texture and it's shiny, so I like that I'm able to clean that if I want to. I love this little window in our bathroom. I've always enjoyed a window in a bathroom. And on top of our toilet here, we've got a little baby blue bear and my rolled up towels, and I put a gray ribbon on them. And then we just got these towels about a week ago. They're just decorative towels we got up there to look pretty. This is my shower. Again, the marble tile. It's also marble down there. So if you ever see me cleaning my tub and you think, ew, her tub's dirty, it's actually not. That's just a marble stained look. And yeah, so this is my bathroom. My closet's in here. Listen, I need to get a dresser. I need some things to organize in my closet. Closet looks terrible. Some stuff is still in bags on the floor. This is my side of the closet. It looks rough, okay? I need a dresser. I need a lot of things in this apartment because you know we sold all of the other stuff in our other apartment. But yeah, this is Alan's side. I say we just keep that door closed for now. So yeah, this is my new apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour. I know it wasn't much, but it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will do an updated one in the future when we are finished with everything. But for now, this is it. Check out that pool view though. Amazing. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Toodaloo boogaloo.